Alright, this is it, my friends. This is the game that we finally set our personal record in the Furitaka. What is the Devil's Butt Crack? Oh, right there? Yeah, sure, let's go down that. I'm sure that won't turn out bad. We've had a couple, even more than a couple. We've had some bad performances lately. But I suppose that's to be expected from us at this point. Alright, we're gonna. I don't love that. We're gonna. No, 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 no. We're gonna try to get away. Oh, gosh, dude, I'm the dumbest player. I'm the dumbest player. Oh my gosh, dude. Why am I? Oh my gosh, why am I so unaware? Why? Oh my gosh, I've got... Guys, I don't think the best game ever is happening this time. I don't think it's happening, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How am I complete... I hate this game, guys. I hate this game. I hate this game. I'm going back to Counter-Strike where I can actually get kills. This is just unbelievable. This is unbelievable. I don't even... I don't even know what to say. Besides, I'm horrible. I just lost 23,000, over 23,000 HP, and I did 470 fucking damage. I mean, at this point, I mean, where do we go from here besides? Oh, that would have been a joke YouTube flag, but I just, guys, I don't even have an excuse. I don't even have an excuse. But I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I mean, I might as well just go die, yeah? I'm beaten down, guys. Dude, if that could stop popping up on my computer, that'd be lit. Just an absolutely horrific performance. There's nothing else to say besides that. Just an absolute embarrassment. I'm ashamed. I am ashamed. Woohoo! Maybe we can crack 1,000 damage. That'd be so crazy. Maybe we can crack 1K. What a monumental achievement that would be for us. Good God, man. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. And of course he rounds the fucking corner as soon as I can't launch any more fucking torpedoes. Fuck me!